Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to review the Curri Driver App. The Curri Driver App is a platform made for drivers who want to earn money by delivering construction and industrial materials. Unlike many other delivery applications that focus on food or parcels, Curri is built to serve businesses that needs items like tools, building supplies, and heavy equipment moved from one place to another. This makes it a unique opportunity for drivers who have larger vehicles and want steady work in growing industry. So one of the strongest features of the Curry app is its flexibility. Drivers can set their own schedules, choose which jobs to accept, and work as little or as much as they like. The application shows delivery requests, expected pay, and distance before drivers decide, which helps them plan better. Payments are also sent quickly, and many drivers appreciate that the application is clear about earnings. Drivers who use Curry often mention that the pay can be higher than other gig apps, especially for larger or more complex deliveries. Having a van, truck, or trailer can make it easier to qualify for better paying jobs. The application also supports drivers with customer service if any issues come up, which add to trust and reliability. However, some drivers note that the work availability depends on your location, so it may not be as busy in every area. But overall, the Curry Driver app is a great choice for people who want a flexible delivery work outside of food or parcel application. It is easy to use, offer fair pay, and works best for drivers with larger vehicles who want to take on bigger delivery jobs. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.